Hello, girls and boys. It is Mr. McAndrew, the math coach, and we are together again doing what? Math, counting, numbers, dots, dice. It's math mayhem, and it's amazing. So let's get this party started. You should have out your Reckon Rec, my favorite word in the English language. Okay, it's called a Reckon Rec. And I'm going to flip over some of these handy dandy cards. Yesterday I did fingers. Okay, I'm going to go back to the cards today. And whatever number I flip over, I want you to do this. If I flip over a 2, I want you to go like this. 1, 2. Just like that. All right, just like we've been doing. So I want you to get the idea of that symbol means 2. 1, 2. But today, I'm not going to say the name of the number until after a couple seconds to see if you can start to recognize it. Okay? So let's give it a shot. Here we go. Are you ready? I'm going to cover up the top one just so we don't get confused. But you can do whichever row you want. Okay, here we go. Number... I almost said it. I said, what number is that? Okay, so whatever number that is, you should count your counters, right? Slide the counters one at a time, just like I showed you. All right, so you should have done that by now. You should have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's a 5. 5. All right, did you do that? All right, good job. Let's do another one. Slide those back. All right, let's shuffle it. Shuffle. Here we go. It's a number. I almost said it again. What number is that? How many should you slide over? All right, go ahead and do it. Do it. All right, so you should have seen that it was 3. 1, 2, 3. That is a 3. Okay? All right, nice job. Let's put these back. Let's do another one. Shuffle, 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 shuffle. And it's a... Ooh, it's a... What is it? Show me on your counters. Slide over that many. How many are you sliding? You should just slide 1. That's right, just 1. In fact, the number 1 looks like just a finger sticking up, right? Sometimes there's a little crook at the end, like a little crook at the end, a 1. Okay? All right. Let's do a couple more. Here we go. Shuffle, 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 shuffle. Ooh, that's a... Oh, what is that? Starts with an F. What is it? Something. So show me number of counters. Slide them over. Slide them over. Don't have too much fun without me. Here we go. You should do this. 1, 2, 3, 4. Did you do that? Did you get 4? All right. Excellent job, boys and girls. All right. So let's move on with our wonderful math day. Hello, boys and girls. So what I would like you to do is take out your math packet. Okay. And the other day, remember you cut out with scissors the dot cards? So I want you to cut out one more thing for me. At the very back of your packet, there are number cards. Okay, it looks like this. Number cards that look just like that. Okay, and I want you to take it and just pull it off. Go whoop. Looks like the most fun you'll have today, probably. Okay, so look. So it looks like this. Okay. And then I want you to cut, like you did the other day, along the line. So here, 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 and then along these lines. Okay, so you're going to end up with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. You'll have 15 cards. So each one is cut out. Okay, so I'll show you what it should look like. All right, so boys and girls, your number cards should be all separated like this. All right, and then you can just put them together. Okay, we'll just kind of mix them up. Okay, put them in a pile. And let's take out your match my number, which you've been playing the last few days. So we have this in your dry erase sleeve. We have your eraser, your marker, and your number cubes. Okay? All right. So once you have all that out, we can start playing. Okay? So I'm going to do it, and then later you're going to do it with turning over the cards. So I've shuffled up my cards. So I just shuffle means to just mix them all up. Okay? If they get turned around, it's okay. We can turn them back. Okay? And I'm going to turn over a card, and then you're going to do the same thing we've been doing all week. So for example, if I go like this, okay, you see that's a 4, and if you're not sure if it's a 4, you can count the dots, 1, 2, 3, 4. Pretty cool, right? So show me 4 cubes, and then trace the 4. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and trace the 4. Okay? All right, so let's erase that, and let's get going. Okay, so here we go. The next number is going to be this. What number is that? So show me number of cubes and trace the number. All right, so do that now. 1, 2, and trace the number. You start on the left, you come around, down, and then off to the side. Okay? All right, let's do the next one. Let's erase that. Let's do this one. What number is that? Yeah, number 3. All right, so this time, boys and girls, I'm not even going to do anything. I just want you to do it. You guys are getting really good at this, so show me what you can do, okay? Show me 3 cubes, and then trace the number 3. All right? And when you're done with that, you can put those back, and we'll do one more. All right, so if you still need time, pause the video. Otherwise, we're going to move on. All right, your last one of this today is... What number is that? Say the number out loud. Repeat after me. 5. 5. Good. So show me your cubes and trace the 5 with your dry erase marker. Okay? All right. If you still need more time, pause the video. We're actually going to do one more. Let's do it. Here we go. Last one is going to be... let's do this one. What number does that say? Repeat after me. 4. Good. 4. Okay, so show me 4 cubes. 3, 4. And then trace your 4. Okay? All right, boys and girls. You can play this. Oop, sorry, I dropped something. You can play this game anytime you want with your dry erase sleeve, okay? So have fun with this. Now keep your number cards and your cubes. All right, so we can put this away. And I want you to take out your Thursday practice. Okay, so it should look just like this. At the top it says Thursday practice. Okay, so it says cut out the number cards, which you already did, shuffle them and turn them face down. So I mix them up, I shuffle them and mix them up, and then I turn them face down. Okay, so I'm going to put them face down right here. All right, and then it says turn one over at a time and draw the same number of circles on the 5 frame. Okay, so I'm going to turn it over, and I got a 5. So I would take my... If I want to use the cubes, I can do that, but you don't have to. And I'm going to draw, this time I'm going to draw stars. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Now, boys and girls, you don't have to draw a star. You could draw a circle or a triangle or a square. But if you want to do a star, how I do it is I start down here, I go up, down, and then I come up here, come across, and then down. That's how I do a star. Okay, and then I'm going to trace my 5 like this. Okay? All right, so I did one. Put that one back. Let's flip over the next one. And I got, oops, upside down. Here we go. And what do I get, boys and girls? I got a 3. So I'm going to draw 3 shapes in here. It could be a circle or a triangle or a star. It could be whatever you want. I'm into the stars today, so I'm going to do a star. Do 1, 2, 3 stars, and I'm going to trace my 3. Okay? All right, so you're going to do this page, put this one back, and then there are 2 more practice pages. There's 2 on this page, and there's 2 on this page. Okay, so when you're done with that, I have, this is in your math packet, okay, again, climb to the top, right, which is like super fun. All you need is this paper and one of your pairs of dice, okay, and here, I'll start it with you, okay. If you want to do the practice first, you can pause the video and do the practice, okay, and then, hey, you know what, boys and girls? I'm not going to do it now. I'll do it in the next video. So there'll be an extra video today, and we'll do it together. We'll have fun. I like doing it. We'll just do it. All right, so I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.